Ready? 1. Tensing up. You're trying to breathe, not tense. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I decided to give my fiance a spa day. We actually just celebrated our 8-year anniversary on April 14th. We've been together since April 14th, 2013. So I decided to give her a spa day in appreciation and so she can relax. Because if you guys know, Courtney does work very, very hard. If a lot of you guys are Courtney's clients, so you know, and you guys see that she does my hair. She works very hard. She's very deserving. So I just decided to give her a spa day. In this video, I'm going to be giving her a facial. I'm going to be giving her a Brazilian wax, an underarm wax, and an eyebrow wax. So I just wanted to share this with you guys, something small, and I'll also be giving you guys some details in the next clip about the wax that I'll be using and the company that we're working with in today's video. Super exciting. So yeah, if you want to see this relaxing video and just something super relaxing and satisfying to watch, then just stay tuned. So guys, in today's video, we're going to be using this wax kit by Tress Wellness. This company reached out to me so I can try out their wax kit. If you guys know, I went to school to be an esthetician, so waxing is something that I also do. I'm going to show you guys what comes in the kit. So of course they come with the actual wax warmer, and what I like about this wax warmer is it actually is digital. So it shows an actual digital number here, which is super cool. They also give you 5 different types of wax, and if you're buying this kit for just yourself, this will last you a while. But if you're buying this as a new esthetician, you will have to repurchase soon. But for a self kit, this is a great amount of product. It comes with the tea tree wax, eucalyptus, lemon, lavender, and peppermint. It also comes with these wax rings, which goes around your wax warmer cup in case you have some spillage, so it can kind of catch that spillage. It's easy cleanup, and these are disposable. It also gives you some gloves, which is really pretty cool. I've never had a kit actually supply gloves before, so that's pretty cool. It comes with the pre-wax and the after wax, and basically this is to clean up the area before you wax, and this is to clean up the area after. And then the last thing they give you is some sticks. This is a small amount of sticks, but if you're doing this on yourself, this should last you a while. But if you're doing it on other people, you're gonna have to purchase more. But that's just how business is. But yeah, they give you a few sticks to start off with. Some small sticks for maybe the facial area, and some bigger sticks for the body waxing. And that's everything that comes with the waxing kit, so we're gonna jump right into the video.
Fred decided he had to get out.
What's wrong? Where? Ow. Breathe. I'm sorry. Tensing up. You're trying to breathe, not tense. Yeah, that's good. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Everything about the wax pot will be in the description box below in case you're interested. It worked very well, and a lot of things that happen with wax people on Amazon when you buy like affordable waxes is that they kind of break and crack off, and they give you a hard time, which is a lot of pain for the client or yourself if you're using it on yourself. So one thing I realized about this wax was that I didn't have to go over a spot more than twice, and that it never cracked and broke. The wax ripped off really great. It was amazing, and it was great. I used it on Courtney's Brazilian wax. I used it on her underarms. It was just really good wax, and Courtney actually waxed my legs that same day with the wax, and it was really, really good. So I actually really do recommend this wax. But this is the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I hope this video inspires you to do something nice for your loved ones or somebody that you know. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video, which will be this upcoming Wednesday. Thanks a lot, guys.